Meaning of finger food.
Finger food.
Finger food.
Finger food.
Finger food. Finger food refers to small, bite-sized portions of food that can be eaten with one's fingers, without requiring utensils. This type of food is often served as appetizers or snacks at social events and gatherings. Examples of finger foods include mini sandwiches, chicken wings, vegetable crudité, and cheese platters. Finger foods are a popular choice for parties and events because they are easy to eat and offer a variety of flavors and textures. They also encourage socializing and mingling, as guests can easily move around while holding their food.